It is reported by Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu by three chains that his mother Hazrat Sulaim radiyallahu anha took 1 mud, 1 kilogram barley, pulverized it, made porridge, took out the ghee from the leather bag she had, poured it on it, then dispatched me to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. I reached the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam while he sallallahu alaihi wasallam was sitting amidst his companions. So I invited him. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, "What about the people sitting in my company?" I thereupon came back and told her that he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "What about the people sitting along with me?" Hazrat Abu Talha thereupon set off towards him and submitted, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, we have only the food which Sulaim prepared for you only." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then came along them and said, "Call a group of 10 men." So they came and ate their fill. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, "Send me 10 more men." So they entered and got satiated. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereafter said, "Bring me 10 more men until even 40 men were counted." Then the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam ate the food and got up. I thereupon started looking at the food to see whether there occurred any depletion. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 5450.